hello, this is me, and we're plane spotting at O'Hare. I know you can't tell this is O'Hare, but you can tell. There's some sort of. When my dad honks, that probably means he sees a plane. As you can tell, we're right under them. Boy, is this fun. Well, yeah. This is fun. That's all I can say. Here's the next one. Can't really see it, but there it is. Alright, I was just resetting the zoom. The zoom. My dad's not gonna honk anymore. Look at that! There's our next one. You can't really see it, but it's right over those dead trees. Just wait for it. Boy, you should see this in real life. I wish you could, if you like this. It's just so cool in real life. What is this? Another United. Look how slow it's going. A3 United A350. Oh! Well, that one was way lower than the other ones. See the next plane. It's bad zoom. You can't. Who's it? I'm bad at taking videos, I'm sorry. See it? Right there. You see that? From first view, it looks like a Southwest 737. Is that a Southwest A320? I know that's not possible. Okay. I'm hallucinating. Luckily, that's not an A320. It sounds way cooler in real life than it does. Where? Tell me if you can see it. You probably could. I don't know. I can see it, but maybe you could have. Next plane in sight for me. You see it, kind of, I think. Alright. I can't get it. Still pretty far away. Is that another Southwest? You gotta be kidding me. I thought Southwest lands at Midway, not O'Hare. It's quite windy. Look at that. Look up there. You can't really see it. No, that looks like United. I don't know why I saw it as you. I don't know why I saw it as Southwest. Yeah. I'm gonna butter this. I'm going to butter. Okay, let's go to the next plane. Okay, I'm gonna spot a plane. 3, 2, 1. Told you. There's a plane right there. I told you I'd snap one into existence. Ha ha. It's a regional airliner. And it's an American Eagle. That's what I know. Woo! Supersonic aircraft. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I snapped a plane. You can't really see it. It's quite far because I wanted to snap it far away. I just snapped a random plane. For me, from my perspective, looks like a regional airliner. Don't know the exact kind, but oh, it's an American Eagle. Look at that! Look at that! I wish I could read the registration. 3, 2, 1. god, I just heard something that sounded like a missile. Anyways, like I said, I snapped it. It's pretty far away. I usually cut the video after I snapped it, so it gets closer. And I uncut it to tell you about what was happening. Oh boy. But yeah. Can't see it. I'm gonna cut it again. There it is! But yeah, I heard like a missile shot. Shoot. Another American Eagle! It's either I'm having deja vu or the registration on that thing was the exact same. Well, time to snap the other one into existence. There it is. I just clicked a random one again. Oh, it's a United. I wonder what it is. Take a look. It's the pencil plane. The 757 is one of the pencil planes, I think. Yeah. Censor that. Big fan if you saw it. Nope. Those vans don't mean anything though. You'll probably see them if you live in Chicago. But yeah, time to cut the video so you can, yeah, bye. That was kind of quick for me. Well, it's closer, and the first look looks like a 777. I had to guess it looks like Halfway Pacific. No, it's not. 777 though. It's Carter. Carter Airways. Look at that. I haven't seen one of those planes ever. Look at that. Look at that. It roars the 777's engines. I'll try to snap another one. Alright, let's cut it. Here is another American. Look at that! Alright, time to snap another one.
I'm not saying that.
Look at that! It's American! How many American planes are there? There's over... Oh my god! I forgot to snap it. There we go. Now another plane's coming in. Here's another plane. I'm guessing it's a 777. That's what I told my dad. Oh no, it's a 787. Look at that. Well, I tried to 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 right in there. Snap time. Alright, let's do this. It's another plane. It looks like an SWA 737. No, I'm totally wrong. I am totally wrong. That's an American 737. I'm running. Alright. Got to snap another one into existence. Alright, here we got what looks like a 787. Nope. Wait. No. Wait, yeah, no. Yeah, it's a 787. It's a 787. It's a 787. Okay. Snap another plane into existence. Alright, we got another plane. You might not be able to see it. It's right underneath this right there. In between my fingers that are blurred. No! The plane is what I want you to look. There it is. It's coming closer. Is that an AA Retro? No, it's not. It's not AA Retro. Well, anyways, yeah, time to snap another one. Here's the plane I snap. It's the same one! Or am I having deja vu? My God! Why am my snapping still giving me that one. That one regional airline. I thought that the first one was an AA Retro though. Old American, shiny. Yeah. Anyways, what looks like an SWA coming in. Oh, I just wanted to show you this other plane I just saw. I don't see it though. Anyways, there's the SWA. Someplace. Okay, I'm trying to copy that SWA wrap safety thing. Anyways, trying to snap another one into existence. Nope. No, that wasn't a snap. There we go. Alright, we got an American 737, an American 7. Okay, I get it. The song doesn't sound good. Anyways, there we go. We got what looks like an A320. No, what is that? Whatever, it's an American Eagle. Oh my god, that roar! That was some bad videotaping right there. But anyways, no, bad focus equals this doesn't work. There we go. Alright, let's see what I snapped into existence. An American 737. Wait, the last American and this one are pretty much the same. So was the 737 just more crammed than the last American Eagle? Whatever. Let me get the focus right. No! A focus! Alright, there we go. Spawn into existence. Another American! I mean, that does kind of look the same size as the 737. You get more space than that, it looks like. Oh, look. One in the distance. Oh, you can't see it. Oh. There's a plane in the distance. Anyways, let me change the zoom. It's going to be a bit small. Alright, time to snap one into existence. Focus. Yes. Let's see what I spawned into existence. Hopefully it's not American! You're gonna be kidding me! What American? Anyways, time to snap another one into existence. Come on. Focus. There we go. That doesn't sound like a snap. Come on. There we go. I think that's pretty good. Come on. Alright, which one's this? An American. At least it's not a 737. You know what I mean? They have too many American 737 and those tiny ones. You know, it makes me feel better that it's 787. Come on. Alright. Got here an American 787 for the second time in a row. Or I'm having deja vu, like I said. Alright, time to snap another one. Alright. Let's see, what did I spawn into existence? An American 737. Well, that's all today. See you next time. Bye. By the way, this is me making this video.